Hello, this is JD from AWD Wix, and I'm here to do a short tutorial on adding a PDF file to your website. I get a lot of people asking how to do this, so simply log into your Wix.com account, log into the website editor that you want to work on, and add the file to. This is pretty straightforward and pretty simple. Once you do it once, you'll have it down. So say we want to add where this P is right here. We're gonna, let's call that PDF. Okay, now you would highlight it. All right, and we're gonna add a link. So we're gonna add a document because that's what that is. Choose the file. Now I already had one here loaded, but you would go to upload media. You would look for the PDF file, say it's in your documents. You know, the file that I'm using is right here. I would click that, open it. Let's just do it. It's going to load again. And there it is again. Let me delete this one. That's how you delete something, by the way. You just highlight that, add to page. Make sure you click done. And we could go check it out by going up to preview here. Go down to where we put that file and click it, and there's the file. Pretty straightforward and simple. Once again, this is JD from Wix.com. Have a great day. God bless. Stay safe.